Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and see your reviews on Amazon. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video, shall we? So first things first, what you want to do is simply go ahead and head into amazon.com on any browser that you prefer using. Once you've done that, what you need to do is make sure that you are logged in into your account. And finally, once you're logged in into your account, all you need to do is head into accounts and list. And then on this page, simply go ahead and head into your profile or account right over here. And once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and head into community activity. So simply go ahead and look for that. And once you're on community activity, that is where you're going to be seeing your all your reviews, and you can also delete it if you want to. I don't have any because I don't have any purchases, but that is it. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.